Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous example, we have learnt about the theory portion of arithmetic operators. And today we will learn about the practical part of arithmetic operators. So first of all, we need to start our terminal. And here in our terminal, we need to start our Ruby console. So we can start our Ruby console by using IRB command, that is interactive Ruby. And here our console start. So let's start with our first arithmetic operator, that is equal to, that is plus. So first of all, let me create two variables. For example, variable a, and I am assigning its value as 50. And I am creating another variable b, and I am assigning its value to 20. Now I will perform an addition between variable a and variable b. So let's start with first operator, that is arithmetic operator. So here I will store our result into one variable, result equal to variable a. This is our left operand, here is our operator, and our right operand, variable b, and it will perform the addition. So the 50 plus 20, here it treats 50, here is our operator, that is arithmetic operator, and here is the value, and the output would be 70. So this is how arithmetic operator works. Now we will see a practical example of subtraction operator. I want to subtract two values. My first variable is variable a, that is 50, and my second variable is variable b, that is 20. Now I will store my result into one variable, result equal to my first variable a, and my operator, that is minus here, and variable b. This will give me output as 30 because my first value is 50, so it will treat 50 here. Here is my operator, and my second value, that is 20, that will evaluates here, and 50 minus 20 equal to 30. So this is how subtraction variable works. Multiplication operator. Suppose let me create one value, variable a equal to 10, and new variable b equal to 5. Now I want to perform multiplication between these two variables. So result equal to, I will store my multiplication output into a variable result. I want to perform multiplication, so variable a and my operator, that is star, and my variable b. So it will perform multiplication of 10 multiply with 5, and the resulted output is 50. This is how we can do multiplication using multiplier operator. Division operator. When we want to perform division between operands, we will use division operator. So let's create our first variable, that is 50, and our second variable, that is 10, and I want to perform division. So our result would be variable a and our operator symbol, that is division symbol, and our variable b, by which we want to divide our value, and the resulted output is 5. So 50 divides by 10 equal to 5. So this is how we can work with division operator. Modulus operator. When we want to perform modulus between two operands, we will use modulus operator. It will return us the remainder value. So let's take practical example of modulus operator. We will create variable a as suppose 30 and create variable b equal to, let me say, 6, and I want to perform modulus, so result variable a and my modulo operator and variable b, and this will put and 1 as a output. Why? Because if we divide 13 by 6, the remainder will be 1. 6 into 2 equal to 12. So 13 minus 12 and the remainder value is 1. So this is how our modulo operator works. Exponent operator. When I want to perform power, we will use exponent operator. Here let me create one variable a, that is 2, my left operand, and my another variable b, that is my right operand. If I want to perform square, I will add 2 here. Now I will use the exponent operator. Result equal to variable a and our operator, and now our right operand variable b. It will do power of our left operand, that is variable a, and the output is 4. 2 raised to 2 equal to 4. If I want to perform a cube of my left operand, so let me create one new variable c, and I am assigning its value 3. And now I will store my result into a new variable, that is result variable a, my operator exponent operator, and my value, that is 3 here. So this will perform and cube of my left operand. So 2 raised to 3 equal to 8. So this 8 is an actual cube of 2. This has performed cube because we have assigned a value 3. So this is how we can easily work with arithmetic operators. In next lecture, we will learn about the theory portion of assignment operators.